Hello, today I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on OneXBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional OneXBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your menu. Once in your menu, go to settings. Once in settings, go to security settings. Then choose two-factor authentication. Once you do that, if already activated, just type your Google Authenticator code and deactivate. If you've forgotten your Google Authenticator code, just go back to your principal page, scroll down and go to support. Then go to chat with operator. Write your problem in and it will be resolved. That was all for this video.